Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite recipes to make at least 2 times a week. That is a tuna salad. Now, before we can get started, I'm going to go ahead and tell you all the ingredients. That way your cooking can be a lot easier and super fast. The first ingredient we're going to use is 3 cans of tuna. I'm using the one in water, but if you have the ones in oil, that works too. For our spices, we're going to keep it super simple. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. Obviously, since we have everything nice and seasoned, we have to get your salt as well. For this, we're gonna start with the teaspoon and then we can taste and we can adjust. Now, I got 4 more ingredients. The secret ingredient that I love to use, one of them is corn. We're gonna use the whole can, but this brings a lot of flavor to your dish. Now, the other secret weapon is avocado. This brings some creaminess that makes the tuna sandwich so delicious. Now, for the last 2, sriracha, this brings a nice little kick. And finally, I'm gonna use light mayonnaise, but if you have the regular one, you can use that as well. It works perfectly. Now, totally optional, and I mean optional, if you wanna make a tuna sandwich, we can go ahead and use some bread, or you can eat it with some crackers or tostadas. Now, with that being said, we can finally get cooking. Let's get into it. We're gonna start by getting your canned tunas, and we're gonna make sure that we squeeze them, make them really dry. I don't know if you can see, but you don't want this water in your salad. So make sure you squeeze it really well. Then we can go ahead and start draining your corn, making sure that you remove any excess water as well. After your corn and your tuna are really dry, we can move on to the next step. And for that, we're gonna go ahead and use about 5 to 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then we're gonna season it with a little salt, and remember, we can always adjust at the end. Then we're gonna go ahead and add a little garlic powder, onion powder, a little paprika, and finally a little sriracha. This right here makes a huge difference. I can guarantee you that. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix this really well and make sure that everything gets combined really nice. Once it's mixed, we're gonna go ahead and add your corn and your avocado. Now we're gonna give this a final mix to combine everything together. At this point, you can taste the seasoning and adjust the salt. Now we're gonna place it into the fridge and wait 30 minutes so it tastes way better. Now for my favorite part of the video, we're gonna do the taste test. I'm gonna use a saltine cracker, but you can use some bread. Now let's get a little beat right here. All right. Oh wow, that's super good. The first thing is the saltine crackers are really crispy. That's why I love eating them. But you can use bread too. Now, the tuna is really nice to season with the salt, the garlic powder, onion powder, paprika. It gives it a really nice and savory taste. The corn is nice and juicy, and when you bite into it, it just bursts of flavor. The avocado brings an extra layer of creaminess, making this whole dish really well. If you never had it like this, you have to at least try it once, and let me know in the comments what do you think of it and how it tastes to you. Also, if you have a recipe, put it in the description so I can give your recipe a try. Now, with that being said, don't forget to hit that follow for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. And if you want to watch a super delicious video for your lunch or your dinner ideas, go ahead and click right here. And until next time, I'll see you soon. It was literally that simple.